Oh!
What?
Whoa, we got more!
Really truck day.
This is truck day!
Whoa, man, this is great.
Whoa, look at this guy!
Hey,
Hey, my name's Fire Fred Fred!
hey, Farmer Fred, I'm Farmer Fred.
Wow!
Hey, two friends.
We
Let's
must
go.
be brothers!
Hey, shake my hand.
Hey, there you go!
Yeah.
Right.
Hey, excuse me, sir.
Yeah!
I got a cow stuck in the tree. Could you get it out for me?
Sure!
Here's the tree. Here's the cow. Cow has actually fallen out of the tree a lot.
I got my ladder here.
Please help me save my cow. Please, can you come help me save my cow?
Did you guys say you need some help?
Yeah, we need help with saving
All
the
right.
cow.
I'll
Please.
walk up the ladder here. Got it.
Oh, what a wonderful day. Thank you for saving my cow.
You're so welcome. My pleasure. What are ladders for? And to help my friend.
Hey, now that we saved the cow, I got the perfect idea of what we should do.
What's that?
Pizza party!
Let's do pizza party!
Pizza party!
Pizza party!
Pizza
Pizza
party!
party!
Pizza party! Pizza party! Pizza party!
Pizza party!
Hey, Banjo Benny, do
What's
you know
that?
how to do the noodle dance?
Yeah!
Pizza party!
Pizza party!
Pizza party!
Pizza
Pizza
party!
party! Pizza party!